Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your DMs on TikTok. By turning off your DMs, you mean nobody can message you on TikTok. So it's pretty simple to do, but before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So it's pretty simple. So what you guys can do is click on this three dot at the top. Once you click on this three dot, you can click on privacy. Once you're in privacy, you want to scroll down at the last until you see direct messages over here. So right now it's set on friends, so my friends can only message me, but if I want to turn it off, I can just click on it and click on no one. So that basically means no one can send me a message and my DMs are turned off. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can comment down as well. And yeah, comment down below why you guys turned off your DMs. It would be like, nice to like watch your comment as well on why you guys decided to turn off your DMs. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.